So someone's daughter has been battling inner ear pain for years, even though they look okay. So what can help? Now, I'm sure if we went to Dr. Homeo and Google and looked up inner ear pain, there will be some remedies there to consider, and looking at the symptoms, matching a good remedy, and then maybe trying that. I would dose one time in a 30C most likely, and then see over the course of the week what happens. But the fact that this has been going on for a long time, it's considered chronic issue. So a lot of the things that we as non-professionals can manage are acute issues. So something that's going to resolve itself within 10 days. So like cold, flu, pink eye, some of those things. Anything that goes on longer than 10 days is considered chronic in homeopathy land. So usually it is better to seek out professional help because it says something about the deeper constitution of the person when these symptoms appear and last a long time. In this case as well, I would be really interested to know what brought about the ear pain. Was it, an ear infection that maybe wasn't handled, as good as it could have been? If you were using homeopathic remedies, was there something else that initiated this ear pain? Things like causation can help someone, a professional or a layperson, determine maybe there was something that this is a result of that just wasn't handled properly in the past. I just interviewed a homeopath who said that a gentleman came in, he was 80 years old, and he had Parkinson's symptoms, and he's been having them getting, progressively worse for about 20 years, and they started after the death of his son. So while if someone just heard, oh, you have Parkinson's, here is a remedy for that, which there is one remedy for that, believe it or not, he was able to look at the onset of the issue and say, it's not going to be resolved until you resolve that other issue. That emotional event was never properly managed, and that has now manifested into a physical issue. And what's amazing about homeopathy is that it can work on those past events. So the homeopath said that he gave a remedy for the healing of that grief, and the gentleman was like 75-80% better after having that remedy. I can't make this stuff up. It is so amazing, and it's so true. You will find, people who go through traumatic events, they have these physical issues later on in life, and it's because they haven't dealt with that emotional trauma in the past. So just some ideas. Follow for more.